Welcome to Chicago's Gold Coast. This is North Dearborn Parkway. We are looking at this gray stone, and we're about to head back to the coach house and look at the first floor unit. Gonna head back. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. Tenants have a laundry room down in the basement. Heading into opens up into this beautiful living room with this massive glass wall that helps let light in from the alley. In the current location, we're about 5 blocks from the Red Line, Division Street. I have this large kitchen space, room for a breakfast table in this corner over here, dishwasher, good amount of cabinet space. And next we'll walk into the first of the 2 bedrooms. This space can fit a twin-size bed. It can also be used as a den or an office space. Nice natural light. And now on to the bathroom. The 1 bathroom, large closet, lots of storage space, toiletries, and there's a common space closet. Back into the living room. Going to the second of the 2 bedrooms. This is the larger of the 2, the walk-in closet. Back out into the living room. And again, this is Dearborn, and it is great to live in Chicago.